Hey there, freedom seekers! Are you tired of feeling trapped in your 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of financial independence and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? Well, I've got some good news for you. Clickbank affiliate marketing can be a game changer when it comes to achieving financial freedom. And with the power of faceless storytelling videos on YouTube, you can take your earnings to new heights. Let's face it, traditional sales tactics no longer cut it in today's market. People are more skeptical than ever before and crave genuine connections with brands they trust. That's where faceless storytelling videos come into play. By sharing engaging stories that evoke emotions and connect with viewers on a personal level, you can build trust and loyalty with potential customers while increasing your Clickbank affiliate earnings. In fact, affiliate marketing is responsible for 16% of global e-commerce sales. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's dive into how you can use this powerful tool to maximize your earning potential as a Clickbank affiliate marketer. Exploring faceless storytelling videos. Are you looking to spice up your affiliate marketing game with some creative video ideas? Well, look no further, because faceless storytelling videos might just be the answer for you. Video marketing tips are a dime a dozen these days, but what sets faceless storytelling apart is its unique approach to audience engagement strategies. By using visuals and audio that focus on emotions and experiences rather than overtly selling a product, viewers become invested in the story being told and are more likely to remember it long after they've clicked away from the video. But let's back up a bit. What exactly is faceless storytelling? Essentially, it's creating a narrative without showing any faces or even necessarily having an explicit storyline. This can include using voiceovers paired with animation or B-roll footage, text overlaying images or clips of scenery, and other techniques that keep the viewer engaged without relying on traditional talking head style videos. The result is often a more immersive experience that connects with audiences on a deeper level. Uploading your faceless storytelling videos to YouTube is a great way to reach a wider audience and increase engagement. Understanding Clickbank affiliate potential. Now that you've learned about the power of faceless storytelling videos, it's time to dive into how you can maximize your Clickbank affiliate potential using this powerful tool. The first step is selecting a niche that aligns with your personal interests and passions. This will make creating content much more enjoyable and authentic for both you and your audience. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to do some product research. Look for products on Clickbank that are high quality, offer good commissions, and resonate with your target audience. By promoting products that genuinely help people solve their problems or achieve their goals, you'll build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of making sales. Finally, traffic generation is key to maximizing your earnings as a Clickbank affiliate. There are many ways to drive traffic to your videos, such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, paid advertising, influencer partnerships, and more. Experiment with different strategies until you find what works best for you and your niche. Remember, success as a Clickbank affiliate takes time and effort. But by following these steps and consistently creating engaging faceless storytelling videos that promote quality products in your chosen niche, you can build a thriving online business that gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Keep in mind that uploading your faceless storytelling videos to YouTube is a traffic generation strategy as well, and it will help you reach a wider audience. Creating compelling storytelling videos. Are you ready to take your affiliate earnings to the next level? Then it's time to embrace visual storytelling. As humans, we are wired for emotional engagement, and nothing captures our attention quite like a great story. By creating compelling storytelling videos, you can strengthen brand consistency while increasing click-through rates. When crafting your video, consider the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. Whether it's excitement, empathy, or inspiration, tap into their deepest desires and create a narrative that resonates with them on a personal level. Through effective use of music, visuals, and narration, you can transport viewers into another world where they feel connected with your message. However, don't forget about brand consistency. While telling stories is important, ensuring that your messaging aligns with your overall branding strategy is crucial for long-term success. Your video should serve as an extension of your brand identity and leave a lasting impression on viewers. In this way, you'll build trust and credibility with potential customers, which will ultimately lead to higher conversion rates. By mastering the art of visual storytelling that evokes emotion and maintains brand consistency throughout each piece of content production process, You're one step ahead from others who overlook its importance in advertising strategies, giving yourself more opportunities than ever before. Optimizing earnings with storytelling videos. Now it's time to optimize your earnings with these videos. You see, video marketing tactics can be a powerful tool for promoting Clickbank affiliate niches if done correctly. But before we dive into that, let me share something interesting with you. Did you know that our brains are wired to respond to stories? That's right. Storytelling psychology is an age-old technique used by marketers and businesses alike to connect with their audience emotionally. When done correctly, it can help build trust and loyalty while increasing conversions. So why not leverage this human tendency in your Clickbank promotions? Now, imagine combining the power of storytelling with effective video marketing tactics. Sounds like a match made in heaven, doesn't it? With engaging visuals and compelling narratives woven together seamlessly, viewers will find themselves captivated by your content. This means increased engagement rates and ultimately more sales for you as a Clickbank affiliate marketer. So there you have it. Optimizing your earnings through faceless storytelling videos isn't rocket science after all. By leveraging the power of storytelling psychology along with effective video marketing tactics, you'll be able to create content that resonates deeply with your target audience. And as they say, when people feel understood, they're more likely to take action, which is exactly what we want here, avoiding common mistakes. Here's the thing, my friend. You can have all the engaging content in the world and target the perfect audience. But if you don't promote effectively, your efforts will be for nothing. Don't make the mistake of thinking that just putting up a video on YouTube or promoting it on social media is enough. Your promotion strategy needs to be targeted, consistent, and strategic. One common mistake I see affiliates making is trying to appeal to everyone instead of targeting a specific niche market. When you try to please everyone, you end up pleasing no one. Instead, focus on creating content that speaks directly to your ideal customer, their pain points, their desires, and their goals. This way, they'll feel like you're speaking directly to them and are more likely to convert into paying customers. Another common pitfall is not focusing enough on engagement metrics when assessing the success of your promotions. Sure, clicks and conversions matter, but so does how long people watch your videos or engage with your posts. By monitoring these metrics closely and adjusting your approach accordingly, you'll be able to create even more effective promotions over time. Remember, engaging content plus targeted audiences plus effective promotions equals maximum Clickbank earnings. Don't let common mistakes hold you back from achieving financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Scaling Clickbank earnings with long-term strategies. When it comes to scaling your Clickbank earnings, there are a few key strategies that can take you from making a modest income to earning 6 figures or more. The first step is niche selection. You want to choose a niche that's in high demand but not too competitive so that you can easily rank for keywords and attract targeted traffic. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is keyword research. This involves finding the right long-tail keywords that have low competition and high search volume. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or SEMrush to identify these keywords and optimize your content around them. By doing this, you'll be able to attract organic traffic from YouTube and search engines, which will help increase your sales. Social media promotion is crucial if you want to scale your earnings on Clickbank. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide an excellent opportunity to reach out to potential customers and build relationships with them over time. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience and use paid advertising campaigns to promote your products effectively. Another strategy is to use YouTube automation strategies. You can do this by outsourcing time-consuming tasks so that your work is minimal. With consistent effort, these long-term strategies will pay off significantly in terms of revenue growth for your business. So there you have it, my friends. Faceless storytelling videos on YouTube can be the key to unlocking your full potential as a Clickbank affiliate. By creating compelling stories that connect with your audience on an emotional level, you can increase engagement and drive more sales. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a sustainable income stream through Clickbank. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your storytelling skills and implementing long-term strategies to scale up your earnings over time. With persistence and hard work, you too can become a top-performing Clickbank affiliate using faceless storytelling videos on YouTube.